Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about amazing Windows keyboard shortcut. This keyboard shortcut is designed for restart your graphics driver for 2 to 3 seconds. So this can be helpful if you experience display issues or if the screen goes black. By using this shortcut, Windows attempts to recover and refresh the graphics driver without requiring a full system restart. Keeping in mind that this shortcut might not work in all situations or on all systems, and its effectiveness can vary depending on the nature of the graphics issue. If you're facing persistent problems with your graphics, you may need to explore other troubleshooting steps or consult with the device's support resources. So, how you can use this keyboard shortcut? You have to press on the keyboard Control plus Shift plus Alter then B. If you have to close it first, then the refresh, then now Control Shift Windows key and B. Let's see if you see this screen. The screen has deflect something. Now my graphics driver has been restarted. So now I'm going to talk about you how this shortcut works. So firstly, it will help you to restart your graphics driver. This shortcut triggers a quick reset of your computer's graphics driver. This can be particularly useful if your display is not responding or if there are some glitches affecting the visuals. So the second thing this shortcut is doing is the automatic recovery. This shortcut essentially forces the systems to attempt an automatic recovery of the graphics driver. It can be thought of as a quick troubleshooter for display related issues. So the third thing that this shortcut do is a quick solution for certain glitches. We have reported successfully in resolving issues such as the black screen or frozen display by employing these shortcuts. It's a convenient and swift solution that can save you the trouble of a full system restart. So for using this shortcut, it will help you to restart your graphics drivers if you have some problem with the black screen or frozen screen. So what you need to do is Control Shift Windows button, and so this is it. These are very easy tricks. So I hope this will help you to use your graphics prominently. So see you in the next video. So thank you. Thanks for watching.